everyone and welcome to Kaji's channel. Sa video na to, pag-usapan naman natin yung word na profit and loss. So siguro familiar ka na dyan, or kung ikaw ay accountant or existing or experienced bookkeeper, siguro narinig mo na to and madalas mo siyang makasalamuha. Pero sa mga baguhan and mga gustong maging bookkeeper, kailangan alam nyo din kung ano yung tinatawag natin na profit and loss. So kung interested kayong malaman kung ano nga ba yan, please keep on watching until the end. Do not skip para wala kang ma-miss na tips and tricks na i-share ko throughout the video. So without further ado,
let's get started!
Kung bago ka lang sa channel na to, I'm Kaji, Virtual Assistant, Executive Assistant, Bookkeeper, Accountant. So kahit anong work, pinapasok ko, basta't online, kasi online work is
Amazing!
Sa channel na to, dinidiscuss natin more on online work, tips and tricks, and mga success stories. So kung interested kayo sa mga topics na yon, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell para wala kayong ma-miss na video na ina-upload ni Kaji every single week. Today, we're going to talk about profit and loss, okay? Or yung tinatawag nating PL, or also known as the income statement or statement of earnings, okay? Pag sinabi nating PL report, it is a financial statement na nagsasummarize naman ng company's revenue, costs, and expenses during a specific period. Okay, so typically a month, a quarter, or a year. So, yung primary purpose ng PL report is to show whether a company has made a profit or incurred a loss during that time frame. Okay, so for example, makikita nyo dito sa example na to, this is an example of income statement or profit and loss report. So makikita nyo dito, naka-state dyan na ito ay income statement or profit and loss report, and then yung company name, and ito yung year or yung period, okay? So, example na to, makikita nyo na yung income niya is merong iba't ibang account. So, meron siyang PayPal sales, and Stripe sales. So, madalas itong mangyari kung merong multiple product or account yung client nyo. For example, gusto nyo ma-identify magkano ba yung income na nare-receive ko through PayPal? Magkano ba yung income na nare-receive ko through Stripe? Or magkano ba yung other income ko? So, kapag ganun yung client nyo, nagkakaroon tayo ng multiple line for the income. Pero, kung isa lang yung source of income ng client nyo, then possible na isa lang din to. Okay? And, meron din tong cost of sales. For example na to, wala siya. Okay? Pero, natatandaan nyo, yung cost of goods sold is yung mga cost na directly associated in producing goods or services. Okay? And then, meron tayo ditong operating expenses. So, ano ba yung mga operating expenses na meron yung company? So, kapag tinignan mo yung profit and loss report, makikita mo magkano yung income niya, magkano yung expenses niya, and kung nag-earn ba siya ng profit or nag-incur siya ng loss. So, for this example, makikita natin na net income siya. So, ibig sabihin na yung company has made a profit for that time frame. Okay? So, ayan, makikita nyo rin dito na ano-ano yung mga expenses na na-incur nila during that period. So, meron silang advertising, may bank service charge, may contractor's fee, may PayPal fee, may software subscription, and may wages and salaries. Okay? So, ito yung income statement, and lagi nyo tatandaan, kapag income statement, ang associated lagi dyan is yung sales and expenses or yung revenue and expenses. Hindi ka makakakita ng asset account dito, liability account, or equity account. Kapag nagkaroon ka dito ng asset account or liability or equity, then 100% sure ako mali yung report na nagawa mo. Okay? So, sana marami kayong natutunan sa video na to and naging familiar na kayo sa profit and loss. And if you want more videos like this or if you need clarification dito sa video na to, just let me know sa comment section and Kaji will try to answer that as soon as I can. So, that's all for today and I'll hope to see you sa next video ko.